So today we are going to discuss about trigonometry. Before I proceed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. It is necessary to remember trigonometric table, but here I am going to make it easy for you by telling some tricks. Now we have 5 degrees for which we need to find their values. For that, let us start writing numbers. So here we have 4 digits, so divide all these numbers by 4. And apply root to it. So now 0 by 4 will be equal to 0. On applying root to it also gives 0. So sin 0 value is 0. And next, this is for 30 degrees. So 1 by 4 gives us 1 by 4, and on applying root to it will give us 1 by 2. Next, 2 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 2. On applying root to it will give us 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4. 3 by 4 will not get divided. So on applying root 3 it will give you root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Next, on dividing 4 by 4 will give you 1, and on applying root to it will also give you 1. So sin 90 degrees will be equal to 1. After getting all the values for sin, then it becomes easy to proceed further. To get cos theta values, we have to reverse all the sin values. So reversing of sin 90 degrees will become the value for cos 0 degrees. So value of cos 0 degrees is 1, and 30 degrees will be that of sin 60 degrees, and 45 degrees remains the same, and for 60 degrees cos 60 degrees will be equal to sin 30 degrees, which is 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees will be equal to sin 90 degrees, which will be equal to 0. It's easy to get tan theta value if you know the formula of tan theta, and the formula of tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees is 0 by 1. Here we are applying tan theta formula. So 0 by 1 is 0. So the value of tan 0 degrees is also 0. And next, sin 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees, which is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and it will be equal to 1 by root 3. Now sin 45 degrees by sin 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is equal to 1. Cos 60 degrees by sin 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees, which is root 3. And 1 by 0 is infinity. On getting tan values, I think you understood how to divide. So getting cosecant values is more easy after getting sin, cos and tan values. So cosecant theta formula is cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. So 1 by 0 is infinity, 1 by 2 is 2, and 1 by root 2 is root 2, and 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 is 1. On getting cosecant theta, it becomes still more easy to get secant theta. The formula for secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta, 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Root 2 and 1 by 2 is 2 and also infinity. So second time for secant theta, no need of dividing. You just, here you can just make a reverse of cosecant theta to get secant theta. Okay. Getting tan theta, cot theta. Cot theta. Here cot theta formula is 1 by tan theta. Or we can do cos theta by sin theta. So to get cot theta value, we have to divide 1 by tan theta. 0 by 1 by 0 will be infinity. And 1 by root 3 will be root 3. And 1 by 1 is 1. And next 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. And 0. This is the end of the video, and I hope you understood this topic, and if you have any doubts, comment and let me know. I hope you like this video. For many more videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to. I hope you will enjoy watching my videos and learn a lot.